Biodiversity, it's a conservation. Biodiversity, it's conservation. In last classes, we studied about different subtopics in this chapter, biodiversity and its conservation. Now, in this class, we will discuss about endangered species and other topics. First, let us study about the endangered species. Endangered species. In last class, we have discussed about the case study of Rama Pachudavaram. A case study of Rama Pachudavaram. You know very well that. There, 60-70 years back, rich diversity was present. Rich diversity was present in that area 60-70 years back. But because of the human activity, mining, building constructions, quarries, road and other industries, factories, because of all these human activities, what happened? Very valuable biodiversity are very valuable living organisms were disappeared. Understanding? Very valuable ones disappeared from that forest because of human activity. Only some, for example, Tiger Valley, Addatigala, you know very well that, Mared Malli. In those areas, actually those areas were regarded as Tiger Valley. But nowadays, there are no signs of the tiger. There are no any signs of the tiger because of human activity. And maximum 90% of the wild animals were disappeared from that forest. Only some are present in that forest. Peacock, bears, these are very rare. Okay, peacocks have identified recently. Okay, bears are rare and different some valuable ones are present now. Only 10% when compared to those days. Okay, now here endangered species. What are endangered species? How can we define the endangered species? How can we define? How can mean species of organisms which have more and more threats to survive, which have more threats for the survival. Okay, species of organisms which have more threats, to survival or for survival. Understanding? These type of species, they are called endangered species. Endangered species. Here, these are under very strict condition. If we do not provide the conservation or if we do not conserve them, then what will happen? They become extinct. If we do not provide, if we do not provide the conservation, if we do not provide the conservation, they become extinct. They become extinct in near future. In near future. Are understanding? Observe carefully. These type of species are called endangered species. Endangered species require endangered species. They require conservation. Without conservation, they become extinct. Without conservation, they become extinct. These type of species of organisms having the more and more threats are called endangered species. Are called endangered species. Observe, some students went to a zoological park. In that zoological park, they observed a signboard. Okay, they saw a signboard. On that signboard, some words. There were some words or sentences. For example, do you want to see the cruel creature? Cruel. Do you want to see the cruel creature? Cruel creature. Which creature? Which damage severely to nature and biodiversity. Do you want to see the cruel creatures which damage severely to nature and biodiversity? Turn the signboard. Turn the signboard. Here they observe a signboard with these cottages or with these words like this. On opposite side, actually mirror is there. What? Mirror is there. Observe carefully here. Means if you turn this signboard, your face will be appeared in the mirror. Your face will be appeared in the mirror. Means we are the cruel creatures which damage the nature and biodiversity. Observe carefully. See, very important awareness program it is. Okay. See, very important one. Observe one. To observe means human being. Human beings are destroy the nature, killing the different types of animals and other wild organisms. Why means to perform different activities. Okay, to produce new things, to get the or to extract the different types of metal and any other one. Human beings are destroying the biodiversity. Here, endangered species. Usually, these endangered species are identified They are identified by some groups. Okay, World Wildlife Federation. World Wildlife Federation. Next, International Union for International Union for Wildlife Conservation. Wildlife Conservation. This is very important. Okay, IUWC. Here WWF. They search and identify the endangered species, and they published the all endangered species worldwide by printing in a book, that is a red data book. That is a red data book. Red data book. Okay, observe carefully. Red list book. Red data book. Red data book contains list of endangered species. Understanding? Endangered species, not extinct species. Only endangered species. They keep in this red data book. Understanding? They are kept in red data book. This red data book is published by the World Wildlife Federation or International Union for Wildlife Conservation. Wildlife Conservation. Important book it is. According to this book, there are number of organisms or number of endangered species. There are number of endangered species. Observe one. In this red data book or red list book, different types of endangered species are kept. Okay, observe. For example, loris. Next, wild cats. vulture, next monkeys, one type of spider monkey. Okay, one type of spider. Spider monkeys. Next, some bees. Okay. Next, Rahulfia. Rahulfia serpentina. Ficus plant. Sandalwood. Sandalwood tree. Okay. Next, some other one. Different types of plants. This type of plant, for example, Nepenthes. Next, some turtles, tortoises, hyenas, red panda, next tiger, next peacock, next python, next some wolf, lion, cobra, like this, different there are number of endangered species. There are number of endangered species. Okay, this type of number of plants, number of animals, number of plants and number of animals were kept in the red data book or red list book. Means if these are present in the red list book or red data book, they need conservation. Without conservation, they cannot live. Without conservation, they cannot present. They will not present in the future generation. Okay, very important. Remember. Understanding. Observe carefully on this. Okay, like this, number of what? Wolf, lories, wild cat, vultures, spider monkey, black spider monkey. Next, spotted deer, spotted deer, Rauwolfia serpentina. Next, cycas, cycas. Next, sandalwood tree, nepenthes. Next, turtle, tortoises, hyenas, red pandas, tiger, peacock, pythons, wolves, lions, cobra. Next, fox. Okay, like this. Next, booty tarantula. Already we discussed it about it. What? Booty tarantula. Next, another one, great Indian bustard. Great Indian bustard. Like this, there are number of endangered species. There are number of endangered species. Okay. Next, endemic species. Endemic species. So far we have discussed about the endangered species. Now we will discuss about the endemic species here. Okay, now and last topic is endangered species. Now endemic species. Other endemic species, very important one. Here, what are endemic species? What are endemic species? Species of organisms which are restricted to a particular region of the world are called endemic species. Okay, here species of organisms which are restricted to a particular region, a particular region of the world. Are called what? Endemic species. Understanding. Observe carefully. Species of organisms which are restricted to a particular region of the world, they are called endemic species. They are called endemic species. Understanding? Observe carefully. These endemic species are, they are present only, they are present only in a particular region. In a particular region. Are understanding? In remaining places, in other regions, in any other region, these are not present. Okay, no other regions except the particular region. No other region except a particular region. Except a particular region, they are not present. They are not present. Only a particular region, only in a particular region, they are present. For example, take Pterocarpus santoliner. Pterocarpus santoliner. Pterocarpus santoliner. This is the scientific name of red sandeel. Red sandeel. This plant is present. It is located only in Andhra Pradesh. Only in Andhra Pradesh. Means Kadapa and Chittoor district. In Andhra Pradesh, only in Kadapa and Chittoor district, these Pterocarpus santolinus plants are present. Red sandal tree. Red sandal plant. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. You know, in any other place except Andhra Pradesh, red sandal trees are present. In any other one, red sandal are not present. Understanding? They are absent in any other place except this Andhra Pradesh. Next, kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo. These are the endemic to Australia. These are endemic to Australia. Next, kiwi. Kiwi is endemic to the New Zealand. Kiwi is endemic to New Zealand. Next, Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger. It is endemic to the India. Like this, there are number of organisms. They are restricted to a particular region. Understanding? For example, there are different types. Observe one. Next, here endemic species means these are restricted to a particular area only. They are not endangered species. They are not endangered species. Now let us do an activity. Let us do an activity. Aim of this activity is to collect the different endemic species, from the India. This is the aim of this activity. Now procedure. First, you have to go to library or internet and you have to collect the information of different types of endemic species in India and how to list out the all endemic species in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, like this in all states. Means only here Western Ghats state. Write the endemic species name in a observation notebook. Okay, this is important one here. By this activity, you can get the information of endemic species present in India. Present in India. Okay, observe simple activity. This is next invasive alien species. Invasive alien species. Observance. Invasive alien species. Invasive. Excessive growth. Alien means exotic species. Here, exotic species. Exotic species. What are exotic species? Foreign species. What? Foreign species. Okay. Whenever we import the some exotic species or non-native species into the India. Non-native species into the India from other country. They dominate our natural and our native plants. They grow very rapidly in open land. Understanding? And outside they grow very rapidly and they dominate our native plant. In such conditions, our native plants will disappear. Only these exotic species occupy the entire open places in the country. Means their growth becomes excessive. Their growth becomes excessive, invasive. Understanding? These type of plants or animal species are called invasive alien species. Invasive alien species. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Important one it is. You know very well that by accidentally from the other countries we import some seeds of the exotic plant along with other seeds or other grains food grain. Understanding? These type of plants, they grow in our country rapidly and occupy the entire open places. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Important one here. Here, for example, while wheat seeds were importing from the Australia, along with wheat seeds, some seeds of the other plant, Parthenium. Seeds of the Parthenium hysterophora. Parthenium hysterophora. It is an exotic species actually. It is an exotic species. It came from the Australia. But now in India, it became the invasive alien species. Invasive alien species. Very, very important one. It causes number of damages. For example, it competes with our native plants and it dominates our native plants and it kills our native plants. Understanding? That is why our native plants will disappear. Next, another important, they release the number of pollen grains into the air. Number of pollen grains into the air. From the air, they are entered into the respiratory systems of the human being. Respiratory system of human being and cause different types of diseases, asthma, allergies, like this. Understanding? That is Parthenium hysterophora. Parthenium hysterophora. Next, another example is Prosopis juliflora. Prosopis juliflora. This is another plant. It also came from the other country. Okay, now it became the invasive alien species. Invasive alien species. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Like this, there are different types of words. Spanish flag plant. Okay, important Spanish flag plant. Next, water hyacinth. Hyacinth. Water hyacinth. Okay. They are also invasive alien species. They came from the other countries. Now they are growing very, very fast in our country. Water hyacinth. Next, Hyderabad PGN. Hyderabad PGN. Understanding? Actually, now this Hyderabad PGN, it became invasive alien species due to presence of this PGN. Due to presence of this PGN, natural scavengers, crows are disappearing in Hyderabad because they became invasive alien species. They are eating the more and more food materials and entire food materials present in that city. That is why crows are disappearing in Hyderabad due to presence of the due to presence of Hyderabad PCN. Next to water hyacinth. Due to presence of the water hyacinth, other aquatic plants cannot grow in that plant. Water hyacinth, it is a very rapid growing plant. It can grow very rapidly. Okay, entire water or aquatic ecosystem surface is occupied by water hyacinth. Excessive growth. They show excessive growth. That is why other aquatic organisms cannot survive. Other aquatic plants cannot survive in ponds which have the water hyacinth. Yes.